Hello, today I am teaching planning. New chapter planning. Planning means thinking in advance. What we want to do, how we want to do, what is to be done, how it is to be done, by whom it is to be done, when it is to be done. Answers of all these questions is called planning. Moreover, planning fill up the gap, bridges the gap where we are and where we want to go. कहाँ हम हैं और कहाँ हमें जाना है. Suppose we have got 80% marks in pre-board exam. Now we want, our target is 100%. Now we have our score 80% and we want to achieve our score 100%. So gap is of 20%. So this gap is to be filled up. So planning fill this gap. So this is called planning. Planning means thinking in advance and what is to be done, how we can get 100% marks. Definition: according to Newman, planning is deciding in advance. Now question arises, how planning is prepared or process of planning. Following steps are taken for this purpose. Setting the objective. First of all, we have to set the objective. Where we want to go. Suppose सिंगापुर का टूर हमें बनाना है, तो first of all we will have the objective to go to सिंगापुर. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम चल दिए घर से, जिधर की भी हमें बस मिली या जिधर का भी हमें उसी में बैठ गए हम, ऐसा नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सेट द टारगेट एंड टारगेट्स ऑफ आवर बिजनेस आर to get maximum profit. Now second heading is developing the premises. Developing premises means hurdles of future. What will be the hurdles of future? What may be the tax rate? What may be the interest rate? And what may be the economic position of the country? And what will be the effect on business? Suppose आग लग जाए तो क्या करना चाहिए अभी से हमें. Suppose चोरी हो जाए तो so that we can make provision accordingly. So this is called developing the premises. Hurdles of future. We have to think. सिंगापुर जाना है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम खाने की होगी, रहने की होगी, ये सब हमें पहले से ही सोचना है. Now identifying alternatives. यानी what may be the alternatives. If there is chances of fire or theft, insurance can be done. So these are the आइडेंटिफाइंग अल्टरनेटिव्स. अल्टरनेट ढूंढ रहे हैं, सिंगापुर जाना है, कि व्हाट विल बी द फैसिलिटी टू स्टे देयर, व्हाट विल बी द फैसिलिटी ऑफ लंच डिनर. नेक्स्ट इज इवेल्युएटिंग द अल्टरनेटिव्स. नाउ डिफरेंट अल्टरनेटिव मे बी टू गो टू सिंगापुर. अल्टरनेटिव लाइक बाय सी वेज, बाय एयर वेज. इन द सेम वे we will evaluate different alternatives. After identifying the alternatives, we will evaluate them in different respect, in respect of our business situation, our requirement. Every person want to travel by air, but we have to see, business will see economic, financial position of the business. Then selecting the best alternatives, we have to select now best alternate. Ultimately, after evaluating the different alternatives, best alternate will be selected after evaluating, after giving merits and demerits to different alternates. Now second last option is put the plan into action. Now we will start our journey. Now we will start our work. We will start our business. So this is put the plan into action. And now last is feedback or follow up or response. Now we will see what is the response, what is the problems. When we will start our business, so there may be some problems. They are adjusted accordingly, and in this way our planning can be prepared. Thank you. Okay.